Hello, this time it's another quick unboxing. I've retired my old Leatherman because a little bit snapped off it. I mean, it is nearly 20 years old, so here's a new one. Let's have a look. I'll cut the seals on the box. Let's use a ceramic knife to do that. What's this? Oh, it's a staple. There's a staple in it. So they've packaged it up extremely well. Packing slip. What's in there? Ooh, they've wrapped it. That's very nice of them. So let's open that up. It's the Leatherman FREE. It's the FREE P4. So let's open that up and have a little look at that. There's a seal there, so we'll just go along there. Bit of cardboard. How to use it. Right. And you get this grey little webbing material thing. Holder for it. And underneath, no. And there it is. So the idea is that you can open it with one hand, which can I close it with one hand? It's going to take a bit of practice, I think. You just pop the magnet and swing it round. So it feels nice. It's got a clip on it. I think that'll have to come off because there's no real need for that. So there's a blade there. And you press that or flick that out to release it again. So let's get all the tools out. Blade, bottle opener, don't know what that is, file, serrated blade. So that's all that's in that side of it. And in this side we have a main blade, which is going to be razor sharp because they always are. Little flat blade screwdriver. That's a crosshead screwdriver. Pair of scissors. Let's just slip those back in. Oh, that's clever. Because they aren't sprung. See, it's not sprung until it clicks in, and then it is sprung. That's very, very sneaky. That was a problem with the previous one. The scissors were a bit free and easy, so you'd cut yourself if you weren't careful on the blade there. Yeah, so that's quite nice. It doesn't feel as solid as the Wave, but I think they've sacrificed a lot of the sort of weight so that it didn't become too heavy. There's magnets in there. It does make quite nice action, quite nice clicking noises. That's a more substantial cutter. You can see there's a hex bolt there, so I guess you can change the blades on that, which is quite interesting how they've done that. So it's fairly free, hence the name. And you can do quite a lot of things in one hand. So yeah, that's the FREE P4. The other version of the thing's got slightly less tools. So I think what they do is instead of having, this one's got 3 separate blades. The other one has got the serration on the main blade, and I think you lose the saw. But obviously Leatherman website will obviously clarify that a bit better. So this has got 3 separate blades. The P4's got 3 separate blades, whereas the other versions, the ones that are slightly cheaper, they've got fewer blades. But yeah, I love Leatherman's. They're excellent tools. So that's yeah, that's great. Any questions, any comments? Obviously, stick them in the comments. And yeah, that's my new tool. I'll be using that in a second to open some of the stuff up with. Yeah, thanks for watching. One thing I noticed was I forgot to do the back of the box. So that's the back of the box. So it says durable and strong, magnetic architecture. So that allows you to clip shut with magnets rather than sort of metal clips or just friction. Easy to use, access to the simple push of your thumb. Say goodbye to broken fingernails, because that was the thing that used to happen with the Wave. You'd have to flick the tools out. So yeah, that covers it all, I think. Once again, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, that would be helpful. Any comments, stick them in the comments. Thanks. Bye.